Very good morning, students. Here I am to begin this ninth standard poem, Tiger, the Kiki and Darwala. And today we are going to see the glossary, the answer the following questions, answer the following questions, and work in a group, discuss in group, work in group, discuss in group, and last we'll see about the poem. Okay. Let me see about the glossary so that you may know the things slow by slowly. Okay. Tiger. Very few things we have in the glossary. Wilderness. First word is the wilderness, an uncultivated region. Wilderness, where there nobody remains. Nothing was abandoned place in the forest, in the area is called a wilderness. Okay. Nothing is available, no shops, no house. Isolated place, you can call like this. Their souls were sick. They were bad human beings. If your soul is sick means you are very bad human being. Ketta naditeya manusha. That is one word. Jacko, a small tropical lizard. Night and dawn is the meaning here. Black and golden strips of the tiger, black and gold, night and dawn. Expression of a poet there. Okay, now let us go to the question. Get into pairs, group discuss the answer the following questions. First question. What does the phrase burning bright mean? The burning word used in this poem for the tiger because of its great creation of God. Second, what is not burning bright? Answer. Not burning bright because of the fact, F-A-C-T, that the tiger is poached, P-O-A-C-H-E-D, by human being for various uses, U-S-E-S. Third, what is the plight referred to in the poem? Answer. The plight referred as vanishing, W-A-N-I-S-H-I-N-G, of tiger by poachers or poachers, P-A-T-C-H-E-R-S. Fourth one. According to the poet, what are we not able to understand? According to the poet, we are not able to understand that why we are killing such a beautiful animal for our selfish use without mercy. M-E-R-C-Y. Fifth one. How was the tiger in the forest according to the poet? According to the poet, it is not seen in forest, even in the bright line to the sun, because of the fierceness of the human beings who want to kill. Sixth one. Where is the Jacko hunting? Answer. Jacko was hunting on the dried skin of the tiger, which was hanged for decoration on the walls of the house. Seven. How did the tiger rule the forest? It was the role of the tiger which makes every bird and monkeys and other animals in the forest. It was a simple, terrible one. C2. Get into pairs, groups and discuss the following questions. First, their souls were sick, killing tigers. A. Whose souls were sick? The souls of the people who poaching them or hunting them. B. Why are their souls described as sick? Their souls described as sick because they kill the tigers without mercy. Mercy or mercy. M-E-R-C-Y. Why were the tigers killed? The tigers were killed because of their bones and skins, which yield a lot of profit to them. Second, once jungles trembled at his roar. At whose roar did the jungles tremble? At the roar of a tiger, the jungle trembled. B. Why do they no longer tremble? Because the poacher are poaching the tigers. C. Who is responsible for the tiger's fate? Answer. Human beings are responsible for the tiger's fate. Now comes C3. Working in a pairs and answer the following questions in the write them in your notebook. What is the poet's view about killing animals? Is he condemning the killers or speaking in the appreciation of them? Answer. The poet is really upset about the killing of tigers by men for their selfish motives or needs. Full stop. He felt very sad about the tiger are no longer found in the forest, as they are almost in verge of extinct, EXTINT, because of of the man's poaching for the sake of its bones and skins, full stop, which are useful for different purposes, full stop. The poet is certainly condemning the killers, saying that they are really inhuman beings for their work. Second, how can you protect the tiger from extinction? Answer: we have to protect the tigers from extinction. The God had gifted such a magnetic animal, but man is simply going to poach, P-O-U-P-O-A-C-H, the tigers for their various selfish need. If it continues, the day will come where there is no more tigers in the forest at last, by now onwards, full stop. We must realize such a beautiful animal are to be protected, full stop. Whenever the animals gets off to our place or a village, we must not kill them. Instead, we have to protect and submit them to the concerned department. And another thing is that we must provide the shelter for them by not cutting trees. Now comes the last one, write about the poet. I will read, it is there in your book, write it in the last of your answer sheet. K.K. N. Daruvala is contemporary Indian writer, full stop, who uses a lot of imaginary from nature. He is winner of 1984 Sahitya Academy Award for The Keeper of Dead. Appreciation in April, Crossing of Rivers, the Commonwealth Poetry Award in 1987 for another literary work, Landscape. While pursuing his craft of writing, K.K. N. Daruvala served in India police services and he became a special assistant to the Prime Minister on international affairs. Some of his important works are Under Origin, A Summer of Tigers, and the minister for the permanent unrest and other stories. With this we finish this poem. See you soon.